So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Netvue Baby Monitor not working, setup connection and reset fixes. So guys, first of all, power and connection issues. So check the power supply, ensure your camera is plugged into the working outlet and make sure its battery is fully charged and swap to a different outlet to rule out the power failure. Then weak Wi-Fi band. Netvue camera only operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. So under one Wi-Fi name, the camera may struggle to connect. So try to separating your network or forcing your phone on to 2.4 GHz band. Move closer to the router. So poor signal is the major cause of disconnection. So temporarily move the camera with a few feet of the router to eliminate the connection dropouts. Fix 2 is perform a hard reset. If the camera is offline and would not connect, so a factory reset is clear out the software glitch. So locate the reset button, use the reset pin or the paper clip, open Netvue Budify app. The app will generate a QR code on your phone screen. Hold your phone about 6 to 8 inches in the front of the baby monitor camera so it can scan code and reconnect your Wi-Fi. Then app and the account glitches. So reinstall the app, make sure your Netvue Budify app is updated to the latest version. So note that if you are having trouble with the Netvue app, so user often transitions to the Budify app which uses the same logic credentials. If you are connected but the live stream is frozen, so open the app, then go to your camera settings, journal and select the restart. So guys, thank you.